Good morning, this is Snapper Grabber. This morning I'm just out here at Orere Point again. It's just gone 7 o'clock. There's a bit of fog hanging around out towards the Coromandel. Just out here with Kenneth, who's come across from the North Shore down here. And we're going to go and try and find some nice snapper for dinner. So hopefully we're in for a good day. Nice clear sky, a few little bits of cloud around, hardly any breeze, hardly a ripple in the water. Shaping up to be pretty good. Let's see what we can find. So I'll come back to you when I've got some action. Still just waiting for that first fish. Oh, there's a bite. Come back. Quite a bit of sign here. It's up, I feel hungry. And that fog's rolled in. $7:32. So just running a white squidinator. That boat over behind me is just about disappeared in the fog. Oh, we're on. I think we're on. Woo! First fish. Feels pretty decent. My net ready. Oh, right. Come here. Come back. Number one! Right, first fish. Looks like probably a good 40 centimetre. Chip wrapped, I think. Slippery little fella. Alright, fish number one on a squidinator. Easily legal fish. Yeah, about 41. Right, so 7:36. First fish in the bin. Squidinator. Good old Glowbite. About 41. About 41 on that little squidinator. That fog's rolling in, eh?
Yeah. Good size snap?
Yeah, about 41.
Looks good. Well done.
Yeah. They're around.
My first cast, I casted my bail on the
Oh.
I lost my lure.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
Now I'm just going to go a little bit further and start the drift over with the drift.
Yep. Right, so only about 6 meters of water here. Just getting a little bit lumpy. Fog's definitely rolling in now. Okay, I'm fully surrounded by fog here. Can just make out the shore. So, just through the fog I can see someone's camper van that I saw on the shore, so I can orientate a bit from that. Right, so I think I'm going parallel to the shore now. Well, it's not feeling very big, but I just said where are the fish, and I was hooking up my other line. Here we are, fish number 2. Not too bad. Oh, it's a little bit small. Fish number 2. He can go back. That's just on that little Glowbite Mighty Micro. There you go, mate. That's just been floating out there. Number 2. Alright, on again. Feels pretty small. Drag's right there. Right, number 3. Another baby. Oh, hang on, we're on. Again. That feels a bit better. Drag's not very high.
Tried calling but
Oh,
it wasn't successful.
oh, okay. Caught any?
Not even had a bite yet.
Oh, shit.
You?
This will be number 5. 3 of them I put back. One of them was probably legal.
Yeah.
This one probably feels like the best one so far.
Now, what are you catching there?
Hey?
What are you catching there?
This is actually just a little tiny blue Mighty Micro.
Oh, yeah.
I got some if you want some. I probably caught 4 of my fish on this. Can't get my net out. Where are you jammed? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Woo! Oh, don't scream too loud or the boaties will come over.
Be careful, yeah.
That's literally on an 1.5 inch soft bait. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's solid. There you go.
Oh, well done. Good fish.
That may be a PB for me, I don't know.
That might upwards to 60 almost.
Yeah, I reckon. I don't even know if I got a measure here. Anyway, he's going to come home. Oh, I'm happy with that. That's what I came for. I was actually just thinking, oh, I might paddle back in and come and drift out again. Okay. So. Still not quite dead enough. He just bit my finger. I'm going to have a blood blister. Blood blister there. He's got a strong jaw. You want to try one of those little micros?
Yeah. I saw heaps of birds on that side. They've been
Oh, okay.
quite a while now.
Yeah.
But they're quite far away.
Are they diving or are they just sitting there?
There's heaps of them just on, I can't see if they're diving or what.
What have I got? I'll just chuck it on one of these jig heads for you.
Those the Glowbite ones?
Yeah.
They work quite well.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with them.
I haven't tried them yet. I keep on having them in my hand and then I put them back on the shelf because I don't know them.
Yeah. Yeah, for a little tiny thing. Like I said, I've caught 4 fish today on this one.
Oh, that's good. I haven't even had a bite.
hooks and bloody went to get the hook out of his mouth and put my finger in there.
Oh no, but that,
Yeah. Right, I'm going to have a blood blister on that nail as well.
yep, thanks. It's kind of similar to the one I have on, but it's much smaller.
Oh.
Sorry.
That's right. Yes, there you go.
Ah, thanks.
Just wondering if we go back and drift back through where we've come.
Yeah. I think I might be drifting too quick there.
Yeah, you seem to be going quite a lot quicker than me. Yeah, I think 3 of those fish I just caught with that, just floating around. I wasn't even playing it. Oh, bloody hell. Some birds just flew across and had a crap on me. What sort of shit is that? All over my paddle. I think someone's in my hair. Oh, supposed to be good luck. Where's my next big fish? Heaps of bait fish. All the splashes are actually just the birds. Your feet going across the water. Just little tiny bait fish, I think. Okay, so my camera battery went flat, but I just caught and released 31 centimetre. So he went back. What was that? 25 past 11. So just out near the wreck. So hopefully we're high tides are around about 12ish. So yeah, just into that bite time. Oh, and a little one. Pretty sure that's number 7. Go back. They're just on this little catch glow. I don't know what it's called. And I think it's on a Berkeley little winged jig head, so a little tiny one. Alright, just something different. That was a light coloured snapper though. Number 7 for today. See if we can find another big one. Beautiful bit of coastline. Okay, so that's about a wrap for today. Awesome day, been fine. Had quite a bit of fog to start off with. We had a whole heap of birds that were just hanging around, like thousands of them. Caught a 40 centimetre, then a 60 centimetre. A few other fish that I threw back, I think 7 all up. So yeah, no, good day. Some food to take home. And been a great day out here with Kenneth. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe. Almost hit 500 views, or 500 subscribers. So really wanting to hit that 1,000. So Google will start paying me a few dollars here and there. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the content, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to make a raw fish salad. So I've got 160 grams of fish that I've taken from my fillets over there. My wife made some beautiful banana muffins today, and I've got some limes. They look like lemons, but we're going to use limes today. They're off our own tree. So I'm going to juice some of those up. Need just enough to cover the fish, and then you leave it for about an hour, and then we'll add in the rest of the salad. We're just using a juicer. Slice the limes in half. We'll start off with about 3 of these because they're quite small, quite juicy. So the acid in the lime or lemon juice, I think you can also use vinegar, will actually cook the fish in a natural way rather than using heat. You can tell it's cooked once the flesh all goes white. Just gonna add the lime juice in, so it's heaps. So just so it covers the fish, and we'll leave that for about 40 minutes. Leave it all around it. So we'll come back once that's done. Okay, so the fish has been marinating in the lime juice for about 2 hours. I got caught up cleaning up all my kayak and stuff. So we're gonna tip off the juice. So you don't need to keep any of that juice. It's just used just to cook it with. Right, I haven't got a lot of ingredients, so I'm going to do some cucumber. I generally use that as my base. We're going to do some pepper or capsicums. And I haven't really, I'm going to use some cherry tomatoes, but sliced tomato is quite good, and I'll probably put some avocado in there. So I'm going to cut all those up and we'll chuck them in. The other thing you want is coconut cream, and one of the things we do, because you don't need that much of it, is if you open the tin, just chuck the rest in a little Ziploc bag and chuck it in your freezer, and it's ready for you for next time. Just whatever's on hand. Because I'm the only person in the household who will eat raw fish. I don't make a huge amount, so obviously if you're making for a few people, use a bit more. So I've used about 160 grams of snapper, small part of cucumber, small part of a capsicum, and a few cherry tomatoes pepper.
had it. Some bits in there that aren't that good. Right, so I'm going to have to wait for my coconut cream to melt or defrost, and then I'll chuck that in, and I'll leave it in there for about an hour or so before I eat it. So that's my recipe for raw fish salad.